Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Minister Taff says Tana Yuh Yaad. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, several artists have been promoting the message of staying at home, or in the words of our beloved Jamaican vernacular,
you not ESF Tana Yuh Yaad. Why you want make people life so hard?
This is the message from reggae gospel singer Minister Taff, whose track Tana Yuh Yaad deliver a message of staying indoors so the coronavirus won't spread. Speaking with E-Prime, Minister Taff also noted that the song intends for people to take the COVID-19 virus more seriously.
This virus is an invisible killer. So the message I really want listeners to take from this song is to abide by the rules and regulations set out by the government.
Minister Taff, who is based in the United Kingdom, released his debut gospel album Life in April last year. Now to news overseas, where Beyonce voices concern for African Americans affected by COVID-19. Beyonce used her appearance at the One World Together at Home concert over the weekend to highlight that African Americans have been hugely affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, especially in her hometown of Houston, Texas.
A recent report from my home city, Houston, Texas, it showed that COVID-19 deaths within Houston city limits, 57% of fatal cases are African American. Please protect yourselves. We are one family and we need you.
The concert, organized by Global Citizen, featured performances from a host of top acts including Stevie Wonder,
We are wise.
John Legend, Sam Smith,
Stand by me. Stand by you.
and Lizzo.
But I know change gonna come.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.